Let us see another example of that special integral. Question 2. It comes in page number 112 of your textbook. Okay, integration of 1 upon x square minus a square dx. This we have to prove that it is 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a. Clear? And plus c. Now see proof. Let the integration be denoted by I. Let I is equal to integration of 1 dx upon x square minus a square. Now see, put, remember the substitution, put, no need to put any value. There is another method also, there is one partial method, partial fraction method. Now see, this 1 upon x square minus a square can be written as 1 upon x minus a and x plus a. Any doubt here? Now further you can write this as, let this be something a upon x minus a plus b upon x plus a, and name it as first equation. Take this much part. Now see how to find these values. Once you find these values a and b, then integration of this will be integration of this will be integration of this, means integration of the separate terms. So it will be nothing but log of the denominator, because it satisfies the rule that integration of f dash x अपॉन एफ एक्स, डिनोमिनेटर में अगर एक फंक्शन है, न्यूमरेटर में उसका डेरिवेटिव है, तो लॉग ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर होता है आंसर. ना देखिए अब ये ए और बी की वैल्यूज़ कैसे निकालना. अगर हमने एलसीएम निकाला इसका और एलसीएम से मल्टीप्लाई किया, या तो देखिए एक्स माइनस एक्स प्लस एट सेल्फ एलसीएम, तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय एलसीएम. एलसीएम इज एक्स माइनस ए x plus a. Now it will be 1 is equal to, now you are multiplying by this LCM, so x minus a gets cancelled, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा a इंटू एक्स प्लस ए प्लस अभी b इंटू ये x प्लस ए कैंसिल हो जाएगा जब इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो, और x माइनस ए आएगा. अभी इसको हम बोलते हैं सेकंड, हाईलाइट दिस सेकंड इक्वेशन. अभी हमको a और b की वैल्यूज़ निकालना है, तो कैसे निकालेंगे. ये एक टेक्निक है. a के नीचे में क्या है, x माइनस ए, तो ये a निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, पुट x माइनस ए इक्वल टू 0. 0 के साथ में इक्वेट करने पर दिस विल गिव यू x इज इक्वल टू a. सो व्हेन यू सो पुट x माइनस ए इक्वल टू 0, इट मीन्स दैट पुट x इज इक्वल टू a. बट पुटिंग वेयर इन 1, in 2, sorry, in 2, putting it in 2 means this second equation. Therefore this 1 is equal to, now see, a as it is, x is a plus a as it is. Now see, x minus a itself is 0, so why to write this term, x minus a itself is 0 we have said, so don't write this term. Or if you put this value a here in x, so a minus a it will be 0, so no need to write this. Therefore this 1 is equal to a into 2, a into twice a into twice a. Bring this twice a there, therefore your a you will get, that is 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a. Any doubt here? A is equal to 1 by 2a. Now you have got this value a equal to 1 upon 2a. We shall use this value then. Now what about b? To find b, put what is the value given, what is the term linear factor here, linear, that is linear function x plus a. So put this x plus a equal to 0. Put x plus a is equal to 0. So this will give you, therefore this implies x is equal to minus a. So where you will put it? You will put this in second. Now see this one as it is, then this, that is equal to x plus a itself is 0. Don't write this term. B into x minus a. X is minus a. So minus a minus a. This gives you 1 is equal to b into minus twice a. This gives you b is equal to minus twice a, bring here, so minus 1 by 2a is equal to, it is minus 1 by 2a. Now see, instead of this b, you will use value minus 1 upon 2a. Now therefore our I becomes integration, we are representing by I, na? That I becomes integration of this means integration of this. This means integration of the separate terms, separate functions. Now see, 1 by 2a is here, so 1 by 2a, take it outside, integration of 1 dx upon x minus a. Then minus 1 by 2a, you take it out, integration of 1 upon integration of, here 1 dx in the numerator you will write, integration of x 1 by x plus a, integration of here x plus a. Now see, 1 by 2a you can take common, and see you can take common, and here integration of 1 upon x minus a minus integration of this 1 dx upon x plus a. 1 by 2a as it is, integration of this, that is log of the denominator, log of x minus a, log of x minus a, minus integration of this, that will be log of x plus a. See, in this step already you can write log of x minus a, here log of x plus a, and then you can take common, that like that also you can do, ऐसा भी आप कर सकते हो. तो ये 1 by 2a एज इट इज़. अभी लॉग के नियम के अनुसार अगर 2 बार लॉग आया है, बीच में माइनस साइन है, तो आप कॉमनली एक ही बार लॉग लिख सकते हो और इनको डिवीजन में डाल सकते हो, x माइनस ए अपॉन x प्लस ए, प्लस सी एज इट इज. So here ends, here it is proved. Now see, we wanted to prove this, either they will say prove it or evaluate, so that is equal to RHS, therefore proved.